traders. Today is Sunday, June 22nd. This is my full top-down analysis for the Aussie US dollar. So here on the monthly time frame for the Aussie dollar, I think it's very clear that we have a WXY. This looks like three waves for a W. I think there's three waves down for an X. And I think more than likely this is going to end up making three waves for a wave Y for this WXY pattern, which also correlates really well with my higher time frame analysis on all the other dollar pairs. So that potentially puts us all the way up to maybe someplace around the 0.86 to maybe 0.84 area. This is the monthly time frame, and that potentially could take us several years to play out. But primary direction is very, very important on these higher time frames. Going down to the weekly, you can see that we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down because on the way up, these Fibonacci areas are definitely going to be areas of resistance in this move up. So more than likely, even if we do get a move down, it's probably just a correction to the uptrend based on a higher time frame, weekly, monthly time frame analysis. So going down to the daily, the Aussie dollar has been one of the choppiest pairs lately, but it is definitely some clarity to it, especially if we go down to the full hour. I think that potentially we have a wave one, and now we're in a WXY of wave two. And once this WXY of two is complete, which will probably take a week or two, I think it will go up for a wave three. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the full hour is where you can really see that this is likely a WXY if you zoom out, because this is, to me, is very clearly three waves down for a W, three waves up for an X, 5, 3, 5. And then also we should potentially see 5, 3, 5 waves down for this wave Y. Most wave A's do end around the previous structure, so I think it's going to go down to this breaker structure point. Then I think we'll see a pullback for the wave B, and then we'll get another 5 waves down for the wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, based on that analysis, I definitely think our primary direction should be shorts. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now at the bottom of a move, but at the top of this move, I definitely would have been trying to go short. Definitely would have been trying to go short there. If and when we see another pullback, I would be going short again. Like I said, most wave A's end around the structure of the previous move, which is right here. So I would expect this wave A to potentially end right there. So we likely still have a decent amount of downside potential. So if we do see another pullback, then that potentially could be another sorting opportunity for us for this wave A of wave Y. So hopefully everybody sees the importance of the full top-down analysis, even if you are trading like the 1 5 minute time frame. The very, very high time frames are very, very, very important for the primary direction on any of the shorter time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.